Are you ready to shine? The exclusive formula with micro-ceramide complex gently wraps the fibers of your hair, giving greater strength and extra shine. Sedal with ceramides will help you hydrate your hair from root to tip, restoring its natural vitality so that your hair regains the nutrients it has lost over time. Our formula will assist you in restoring your hair strength and shine from the first use. Provides more excellent resistance to breakage. Gentle enough to use it every day on any hair type. Sedal Co-Creations Conditioner will provide intensive shine to your hair. Gently detangles your hair, giving it greater strength and enhancing its natural beauty. Every second is an opportunity to live life to the fullest. And we also want to look beautiful, don't we? Our unique formula created with you in mind enhances your hair's shine, leaving it soft and looking silky. Are you ready to shine? With Sedal Ceramides, you can give your hair an extra shine. If your hair is fragile and breaks just by looking at it, you have found the solution in Sedal Co-Creations Conditioner. Our formula was co-created with Thomas Taw, an expert in hair damage and hydration from London. Using our conditioner, you will feel free to touch your hair, play with it, or manipulate it without being afraid of repercussions. Our product will help you strengthen your hair. Gently detangle your hair and wrap its fibers softly, with its formula with micro-ceramides complex by Sedal Conditioner. Outside, our life is quite hectic in the real world, and we need our hair to be beautiful and stay that way despite all the challenges we face. Here is where Sedal appears. Get smoother hair every day. Hydration is the key when you are looking for silky hair. Simple, vibrant, full of scents, Sedal is present in every step we take. We can celebrate each challenge with repaired, protected, healthy, and well-groomed hair in a vibrant and ever-changing world. With decades of experience in each of our products, you can count on us to accomplish this task's goal. Top reviews from the United States. Smells good. I found this product in Punta Cana when the airline lost my luggage. I fell in love with it but couldn't find it in the US. So happy it's finally available in the US. I will buy it always.